something I'm quite excited for is the new GitHub Copilot CLI. Now, I don't use GitHub Copilot, mainly because basically the name Copilot has lost all meaning, and the Copilot is like, it's so, I just don't know what it is anymore. But we do have Copilot CLI, which works with all your favorite AI subscriptions, plus a fancy banner intro that's making waves. So this little, maybe I should install it now whilst we're on the call, because it's quite cool. We're all going to watch this together. Is that, again, it works with your Claude Code subscription. It works with your Codex subscription. It's kind of, you know, it's like a Swiss Army knife, I guess. Let's do Copilot. Is that how you? Do you see that? That was cool.
It's actually small.
Do I need to make it bigger for you?
Yeah.
Okay. I think you have to go Copilot banner.
Oh,
see that?
Yeah.
Nice, isn't it? I think now if I just do Copilot, it doesn't do it. I need to literally I just need to pass that flag. So yeah, if you want to see the cool intro, you got to pass banner flag. Hey, yeah. And it's introducing a few things, which is quite nice. Let me just share my proper screen again.
How does that work, by the way, in a command line? I
don't know. I think it works on frames like JavaScript. And you just write, it just refreshes a certain amount of times, and you're just writing pixels to the screen.
I thought everything is a character there. So
yeah, well, exactly. This is just made up of characters. Well, maybe not ASCII characters, but I think you can have just blocks that take
different types of characters. Yeah.
So there we go. They've been giving you instructions on how to launch it with the banner. But what I do like about this, what it seems like that is quite, it's just, I mean, the clue is in the banner. Like the UI is really, really well put together. They've got some talented UI designers on this thing, on the Copilot team, or GitHub, whatever you want to call it. But what was it saying? I don't know. I'm keen to kind of use it. I'm keen to, because it will work with Claude Code. Hopefully is more universal in terms of like its feature set and whatever, and hopefully it can make some waves, because Anthropic has been the only, like MCP servers, Claude MD files are probably one of the original sort of things, you know. Pretty psyched to use it.
Yeah, I'm pretty far from this for now, even though I want to, but
yeah, I wonder what, I mean, it's not, I mean, I still have cursor open, you know, still use it for viewing my files and stuff like that. But I don't know. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just snobbery, you know, using the CLI. But it's just a nicer interface. I think I'm more focused. I'm less distracted. You know, if I use a CLI, I'm not looking at the code. I'm not like second guessing. I'm literally just thinking about my thoughts. I even used Claude Code in Copilot today, and I just didn't. Claude Code in Cursor today, and I just didn't like it. I just preferred, I don't know. I switched back. Oh, wow. I will be switching back to the terminal. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.